I was just sent this 300-piece nail kit, and it comes really well packaged. It has 15 different sizes and 20 nails in each size. It has an almond tip on the top of them. So there are all the different sizes of the nails. It all comes in this package. In the set of nails, it is a 4-in-1 nail, so it's got everything done for you, and the edges are already rounded off. So if you wanted to add nail art to it, you can do that. And then just take your fingers and decide which size fits your nail bed best. So here is mine right here, and we are going to apply it on. It does not come with any nail glue, so you need to make sure you have your own nail glue. So now I'm going to apply just a bit of glue to the nail and then let it dry for just a moment. So now that the glue is tacky, I'm going to press down the nail onto the finger. Make sure it's lined up. So now that the nail has dried, it is stuck on there, and then if you wanted to paint it or design it or anything else, it is ready to go.